I have one dog, a little Shih Tzu named Buttons. I've got 2 cockatiels, both with their own special needs, Molly and Spirit. I've got a salamander, a gecko, and then a bunch of fish. And then over at my cousin's place, they also have a bunch of cats that I help care for.
What is one misconception you see out there in the disability community that you would like to see debunked?
The biggest thing is that we're only our disability, that a lot of people, I'm autistic and that's it. I have ADHD and that's it. And it's almost like they define themselves by that one label as opposed to picking what they're actually skilled at, what they're good at. I'm good at art, I'm good at music, I have a great memory for things. Instead they're just like, oh well, I have autism, as if that's their only personality characteristic. Ended up re-diagnosing me with oppositional defiance disorder, sensory processing disorder, ADHD, and OCD.
Wow.
So instead of walking away with one diagnosis that kind of could explain all that, I got a whole whack load that aren't always treated as much. So I didn't get a lot of therapies growing up.
So you don't have a formal autism diagnosis, but you have the 4 others.
Yes.
Got it.
Then I was re-diagnosed with autism. Like they wiped those and re-diagnosed that. I was an adult at that time and I went through a big bout of depression. So I started to go to a psychiatrist to see what can be done about that. And he started to notice, like during sessions and stuff, I wasn't focused, I wouldn't look at him, I didn't pick up on tones or anything like that. So then he started to test me again for autism, and at the end he's like, yes, you do have depression, but I'm pretty sure you also have Asperger's syndrome or high functioning autism.
And how old were you when you were diagnosed with that?
23. Some stuff makes a lot more sense now because a lot of the things I was having trouble with, I couldn't pin it into any of the other diagnoses I ever had. Like my inability to keep friends, my inability to connect with people, my trouble with language, that sort of thing. So it kind of explained that for me and gave me a bit of relief that yeah, there is something.
For people out there who might want to be your friend in the future, what would you like for them to know about you?
I would like them to know that that I'm just an intelligent person that wants, I want friendships, even though it doesn't seem that way. I want to talk about interests, I want to connect with people, and that's really all I want, is just to have that connection, have a friend that I can call my friend long term and have no issue calling them up and talking about the latest movie that I was interested in.
Yeah.
Hey everyone, this is Kerry from A Special Community. If you like this video, check out our channel for more videos of people impacted by a diagnosis. You can also subscribe and hit the notification button to know when our next video will be posted.